Today I'm working on a set of custom scales before I start finish grinding. It'll probably come out something like this with a bolster and regular scales, except it's going to be red and snakeskin. So, something like that when I'm done. But to do this, you need to see my Sharpie marker there. You have to square everything up so that it'll fit together good. Cuts off some, but I gotta flatten it. Good. Now when I do this, since the belt is running this way, it leaves this little ridge down here. Can't have that. So one pass at the back and that kind of knocks that ridge off. So I also have these hash marks here so that if these get all mixed up, I know the orientation. Because when you put together the front and the back, since no matter how close I measure this, it's never exactly 90 degrees. I have to sand this one face up, but I have to sand this one face down. So no matter what angle this is, they'll jive together when I'm finished. And on and on and on.